So this is what it looks like now, guys. Hi guys, hello guys, welcome to my channel again, under Tropical Plants and Cooking. For this video, I'm going to show you the corn that I got from my neighbor. She gave this to me because I think her brother got lots of corn, so she shares some to me. It's a big bag. So now I got lots. What I'm going to do is to put it in the Ziploc bag for uh, preserving it for months and months so that I can have some supply of corn in the winter time. So come join me and let's do the corn preserving. I mean, like, it's easy way. You just gotta put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. So come join me and let's go. So let's start now, one by one. This is the hard part, to peel this corn. The peeling process is the longest part in preserving this corn. Look at this corn heads. So repeat the same process, guys. You're just gonna peel it, and then once we're done peeling all the corn, we will put it in the Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. Now we're gonna wash the corn first. So I got five. So I got my bag here. I'm gonna put corn. In the cob. Corn in the cob. Then the date now is 07, and then 20. What's the date? 30. 30, 2024. Now I'm going to wash it just like that. Then I'm going to dry it. Very dry. Very cloth. And then my bag is ready. And there's name already in it. What I can do is cut it in half. Like that. Put it in the bag. Cut it in half. Put it in the bag. So this is what it looks like now, guys. Ready to put in the freezer. Then you're gonna close it. And then I can put this in the freezer, and then it will last for months and months, and then I'm gonna